So if you like to unmute your camera, you can do that. I'm here on a process of onboarding with my good friend Edward Daramola. He's in Manitoba, somewhere really, really cold. That later on he will need some camel socks. But for now, we're talking about money, Edward. Welcome. You just heard the greatest presentation on the planet. What's your feedback? What did you think about the presentation first?
Well, it's a good one, but to be honest with you, if you know, I was telling my friend in the US, I said, if not because of you, all this online stuff, I don't want to get in touch. I don't want to get in touch with it, honestly, because I've got my fingers burned. There's a lot of kind of fraud and scam on this. So that's what I told him, that I just have to listen to you because you are a very good friend and I respect you a lot. So that's the reason why. So, but as regards the presentation, it was it's a good one, So the guy really spoke well. So let's see how it goes, and let's. I mean, we are here to make money, like you said, So let's see how it goes, man.
Very good, very good. Again, I test things out myself. I appreciate your trust and you're also being saying all those kind words. I know there's a lot
Exactly.
of scams, especially, hold on. I got a lot of friends who are from Nigeria, from Ghana, from East Africa, from other places that, especially in Nigeria, these things are catching on like fire because people love to tell their friends and family if they found a gold mine. You know what I mean? And sometimes
Absolutely.
it's not the gold mine, it's the wrong one.
That's right. That's right. You are making sense. Yeah.
So here we are exploring through an educational program a system that can use a robot that he explained that can help us money. So how it happens is three things that you need to do. First of all, we need to secure your system. Number one, Brave browser. So I'll share my screen to see what you what
I can I can hear you again. Okay.
screen so I can show you what I'm doing.
Okay.
Okay, number one, on your system or on your phone, download
Yeah.
Brave browser.
Brave browser.
Yes. Brave browser. Download Brave browser and make sure you have VPN. My friend, I'm in with here with Edward on meetings. We have very important CEO call. It's out of this world. Nothing like you ever seen. Not in health, not in Primerica, nowhere. This is absolutely out of this world. So I'm helping Edward get on board it. Would you like to join us? Okay, come on in.
Yeah. So, do you have
Meeting.
I should join that from the what do they call it? Play Store, right?
You will join from a link, the invite that right now Owen is coming here to send you. I wanted to meet Owen too. You just give me a lot of credibility by saying, "This guy." Are you at work, Edward? Should we let you go, or are
No,
you
no, no,
okay?
no. No, I'm at home. I'm at home. But
Oh, good.
yeah, I'm just trying to leave the living room. One of my wife is there, is doing something, so I don't want to disturb her. Yeah.
If
Can you
there
hear me
is,
now?
let's sit down, have a conversation because Owen is coming in and he's also helping me out in the Toronto area. You, as far as I can tell right now, you could be the owner of the one of the biggest banking networks in Manitoba, in Canada.
Yeah.
Why?
Okay. Good. Good.
Because our goal is to have 5 million people use this card. Imagine if 100,000 of them used card and every day they tap, you got paid.
That's right. That's right. That
That's
makes
what
sense.
you have to think about and nothing else. So that's
Yeah.
what I'm
Yeah.
thinking. You know what I mean? Because the
Yeah.
company
Yeah.
has the platform, they have the leadership, they have the technology, they have the brains, they have the money.
Hmm.
All they're saying is, hey, tell more people about us because we want to be unicorn. Unicorn is a company that would make $1 billion in record time, and he did that
Yeah.
previously, and now he's gone this one. So
Okay.
let me see. Meeting,
So
he's
you asked
coming
me to.
on.
So where do you want me to download the? What do you ask me to download?
I was trying to bring in Owen. I don't know what he's doing. He's coming in. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Owen Hermina. Mr. Hermina is in the house. Say hi to Edward Deramola. Edward is joining us from beautiful Manitoba. I've driven it. It's so flat you can't see nothing but nothingness.
Hello, hello, hello.
Hey, how are you? How are you today?
I'm good, Edward.
Good. Yourself?
Awesome, awesome.
Yeah.
So Edward just
I,
attended the
I,
Zoom call with Brian Benson. He got it. He understands it. We understand there's lots of scams going out there, but he's taking faith and saying, "I trust these guys. I want him to meet you because we're going to be helping each other out."
that's right.
Yes, let's do it.
Mm.
Any words you want to tell my good friend Owen here? Owen is helping us register, organize, mentor, make healthy. He is the fittest man alive. Let me knock this wood first. But he
By
inspires me
God's
to
grace,
be
by God's grace.
healthy, to run, to do cycling, to do all of this nonsense because he's part of the 7 Day Adventists. And one of the principles of 7 Day Adventists is first your health and your God, and all of this is learning. Health, God, learning all go together. Thank you, sir.
Yeah,
Okay,
that's good.
Owen, what's the first step for Edward? He knows about Brave, he knows about VPN, and now next.
Okay, so he download the Brave already?
No, I've not downloaded it. Where will I do that?
Okay, Brave. You have to go to, let me see here.
You just
You have
Google
to,
Brave. It's gonna say download Brave. Google it on your phone,
Can
or
you,
if you have a laptop,
can,
would be better. I'd rather
you're
use
using the
Johnny's
phone or
laptop.
your laptop?
I'm using my phone now.
Or phone? Okay, so just go to the Play Store then and download Brave in your Play Store.
Can you
Yeah.
spell? Can you spell that brave? BRAVE,
B,
right?
yeah, Brave. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Just hold on 1 second. Yes, I downloaded that already.
Perfect.
And yeah, let me. I want to say something here. I have a disclaimer here.
Okay, go
For
ahead.
Arif, are you there?
I'm here. I'm here. I'm calling my
E-
family,
e-
man. I'm calling my family in Sweden.
Exactly. What happened is that my wife knows when I got my finger burnt as regard this online stuff. So I was actually downstairs when I was having this video with you. So he heard me. I mean, she heard me. So I hope this thing is going to fly, Arif, because I'm here because of you. To be honest with you, I don't anything online. Exactly, madam is there too. That's okay. Okay, we are good there. We are good. So I just want to let you know that because money, women,
My friend.
women they like money. So my wife is expecting money already. So this thing must fly. That's it. That's
This
okay.
definitely, this is something that I will introduce not to my friends and family. I work on integrity. We have a history of 700 years in Middle East.
I,
People
I,
know us.
I
I'm
believe I
waiting
believe
to
you.
go there to introduce them to the people who know me personally because here I
I
have to get to know. Owen
I
didn't know me. Owen had to
I,
know me. You didn't know me. You have to know
I,
me. Now we know each other.
I believe you, Ali. I believe you, Arif. I believe you. Yeah. So
Trust in the first foundation.
I
Trust
downloaded
in the first
the Brave
foundation.
already.
I trust in the company. I trust in God. I believe that He's putting us on the right path because all of
Absolutely.
my life I've been prepared for this. I went 10
Absolutely.
years of knee to knee with customers, all broke. Owen can tell you the stories from the past.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Absolutely.
So let's
That's
get you started. Let's get this journey started together. We're a
The
brotherhood
next
of
thing you do now is Proton
believers.
VPN. You download Proton VPN.
Yeah, I
So
downloaded that already.
okay, perfect. You download that already. And now you need to have a
Here,
wallet.
put in the chat your link here. Chat. Link. And Edward will click on it, and then he will fill it up, and we will get him on board, and then we go to the next step. That's the first step.
Okay. Let me put it.
Thank you, Edward, for
Um,
participating. I'm going to stop this right now.